I've always been fascinated with the simple yet amazing act of helping ease someone's pain, alleviate their suffering, and bringing a smile to their faces. Hi, my name is Fahmida Said Karishma, and this is my story. I chose to study the Master of Public Health at CQ University because I wanted to do something on a global scale. What attracted me to the Master of Public Health is the course is designed alongside industry and incorporates hands-on, practical learning experiences such as project-based learning and work placements, which is remarkable and holds a lot of potential. The pursuit of a satisfying and meaningful career is my ultimate goal, and the course is a stepping stone along the path to a future career. CQ University values industry-based learning, has excellent graduate outcomes, and offers an outstanding education system for students. When I arrived in Melbourne, I was very excited that I was in another part of the world, but at the same time, I felt homesick. I missed my family a lot. Here, the lifestyle is fast, and culture and language are different and diverse. It wasn't so easy for me to adapt, but gradually I have understood the culture, found people to be welcoming and friendly, and I feel more stable. I do believe that wherever you go, you can make many friends from all over the world, and that is the beauty of this campus. Melbourne is a great place to live. The city offers an awesome art and cultural scene, first-rate universities, and an easy lifestyle. CQ University has great teaching staff who are very supportive, and they have amazing student support services. You can go there, talk to them, and they will help you overcome any issues. My short-term goal after completing the Master of Public Health is to apply for a work visa in Australia and work in an administrative site within a healthcare organization to utilize the knowledge I have learned and gain valuable practical experiences that will help me when I return home. I'm very passionate about my dreams, and I'm determined with high ambitions. With this qualification, I can work in a diverse field with a multidisciplinary approach. I can get into government services as an administrator, project officer in NGOs, or step up to become a director of health services. I would say to the newcomers or those who have dreams to study abroad, CQ University is a great university to choose.